To recite the 6 tables. Negotiation versus mediation. Negotiation versus mediation. An agreement based on parties' own terms. Mediation. Mediator will attempt to work out a settlement or an agreement that both parties accept or reject. Second table is mediation versus conciliation. A mediator will most cases, and as a matter of principle, refrain from making such a proposal. Conciliation. The conciliator will ask by the parties to provide them such a non-binding settlement proposal. The third table, CAM versus CRM versus GDR. CAM, a non-existing agreement, presents parties were still directed to mediation to declog court dockets. CRM extremely states in an agreement to present an arbitration before filing a case in court. JDR, judge tries to settle the dispute for costs. GDR, judge tries to settles the dispute for cases not successfully settled in court annex mediation. Is arbitration versus mediation versus conciliation. Arbitration, objects award, outcome award, legality, legally binding, how it's done. Party submits their case to neutral third party, arbitrator, determine solution. Object of mediation is settlement. Outcome, settlement, no settlement. Legality, not legally binding. How it's done. Mediator recommends alternative parties reach out an agreement. Object of conciliation, advice either parties. Outcomes, settlement, no settlement. Legality, no legally binding, not legally binding. How it's done. NTP gives advice. Parties reach out an agreement. The fifth table, arbitration versus litigation. Arbitration is a private, confidential parties were given the opportunities to agree on the arbitrator. Parties can select the governing law that will determine their subjective rights. Arbitration procedure depends on the agreement. Litigation. Public parties cannot agree on the presiding officer because the judge is ratified Philippines law governs unless there is a choice of law stipulation in the contact rules of the court applies. The last table is arbitration versus litigation. Arbitration, formal offers and evidence and generally submits at the beginning. The value of the arbitration depends on the agreement, submission to process, and consensual. Claimant versus respondent. Arbitrator stenographer. Award final award, and intent award. Litigation, 4 months offer of evidence is only submitted at the end. As a rule, the rule of the court determines the venue, but it may also depend on the agreement, submission to the process. It's not consensual. Plaintiff or defendant. Petitioner versus respondent. Judge, court, reporter. Agreement. Final judgment. Intercustody order. Ano sa to? That's all. Thank you, sir.